Good afternoon, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate named Neha Sharma and candidate number 110876. Neha, are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about your hometown?
Basically, sir, I live in a small town named Rajpura. It is a small town near the king of the city, Patiala, and it is very economical place to purchase the things. And moreover, there is a pilgrimage in my hometown, which is very famous, and people from far away the places come to visit that pilgrimage.
What kind of facilities your hometown provide to you?
There are not many facilities that my hometown provide, but one of the most basic facilities of railway station, which is near my home.
Which facility you enjoy most in your hometown?
Sir, actually there is a park in my hometown which is very famous, and on daily basis I go to that park with my family and I enjoy some time here doing yoga or walking or do some exercise in that park.
What kind of people live in your hometown?
People belonging to all caste and community live in my hometown, and moreover people are very friendly in my hometown. They eagerly help each and everyone, and moreover needy people are also very helpful in my hometown.
Any kind of changes would you like to have in your hometown?
One thing that I notice is of basically streets that I want to be changed in the future. Actually, the streets in my hometown are very congested, and people face a lot of difficulties in parking their vehicles whenever they go for shopping in the market.
What is your strength and weakness?
Actually, sir, my strength is that I am capable of facing any challenge in my life, and my weakness is that I am timid by nature.
Are you doing something to improve your weakness?
Yes, sir. I am working to improve my weakness. I try to go with my family far places in order to face some challenges, and I also go with my family to explore the places so that I can came over my.
What kind of habits do you have?
Actually, sir, I am not an early person, but moreover I am very fond of cooking and singing, and whenever I got free time I go to watch movie with my family.
What kind of good habits do you have?
Good habits that I have is that I always help the needy people, and nowadays I am serving to poor students by giving them coaching free of cost.
Do you think habits can be changed?
Yes, of course, sir. If we work, we can change our bad habits.
Okay, I'll put you some questions related to weekends. What do you like to do on the weekends?
Basically, on the weekends, I would like to go with my family for shopping or watch some new movie that was going on in the cinema of my hometown.
Which is your favorite part of the weekend?
The favorite part of my weekend is Sunday, as I get free time on Sunday. Usually, I am able to complete my painting works on the weekend.
Okay. Do you think your weekends are long enough?
Yes, sir. I think my weekends are long enough because it depends upon us how we utilize our time.
Do you think weekends become very popular among the youngsters?
Yes, sir. Due to their study pressures as well as for office workers, they got so much stress so much stress of their work. So weekend is very popular among youngsters as they get free time with their family and their children.
What you was doing last weekend?
Actually, last weekend I went to my maternal home to meet my family.
Should employees need to work on the weekends?
No, I don't think employees need to work on the weekend because they have many responsibility toward their family and toward their children, and they should get time in order to serve their family.
How important do you think it to have a free time on the weekends?
It is very important to have a free time on the weekend, as weekend is a time on which we can do extra work from our monotonous routine.
Okay, so this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 7. You have a 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Can I make notes here?
Yes, please. Alright, start.
On the daily basis, we came to know so many persons, but today here I would like to talk about a person, and the person is my elder sister. She was so creative and she was so innovative. One day when we sat together, we start talking about different things, and one of the most interesting topic on which we start talking with each other was making best out of the waste. Actually, what happened? We were sitting at the terrace of my home, and we saw that many wasteful things people used to throw out of their homes. So what we decided that whatever the material we get in our home, we try to make some best things out of it. So we got some ice cream sticks at our home, and we made a ship out of that. And we also used some cloth pieces that are waste in my home, and some beads that was used by my mother to create designer suits. We also used to make that ship, and we make a ship by using the ice cream sticks. The ship was so beautiful, and certainly competition was organized at my hometown, and we both to participate in that competition, and I felt so delighted when our name was announced as the winner of the competition. And moreover, one judge that was present in that competition gave us the opportunity to participate at the state level that will be going in the next week at the state level.
Okay, so this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to the conversation, speaking and listening. What's the difference between male and female conversation?
I think males are mostly interested in talking about the sports events or outside events, and females are mostly talk with each other like about their home, their kitchen, and about the designer suits, what they have to purchase and what trend is going to be in the market.
What is the difference between telephone conversation and face-to-face?
Actually, face-to-face, doing face-to-face conversation, we came to know about the attitude and nature of a person, and on telephone we only listen a person what he is saying, but we came to know about the mood and the nature of the person to whom we are talking.
How do you communicate with your friends?
Mostly whenever we go to college, we met on the daily basis, but in case of any emergency, I used to make call to my friends, or I send message to my friend.
Are there any disadvantages of talking face to face?
No, I don't think there is any advantage of talking face to face.
And why?
Because I told previously that on face-to-face conversation I came to know about the situation that is going on the spot.
What's the difference between a good speaker and a good listener?
I think a good speaker is able to convince anyone, whereas a good listener, by listening to the other, can improve their bad habits, and moreover he or she also came to more about the prevailing news in the country and can help to innovate their ideas.
How can someone be a good listener?
Someone can be a good listener by talking less or have a patience.
How important is listening to political leaders?
It is important to listen political leaders, as if any student want to go in the politics in the near future, he come to know what are the benefits and the drawbacks of being a politician, and what are the events on which we have to talk or on which we have to calm down in a particular situation.
What qualities make someone a good speaker?
I think there are many qualities that makes a person good speaker, like our knowledge, our communication skill, and our innovative ideas that we can convey to other person can make a person a good speaker.
Okay, Neha, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.